What's up, guys? It's Keith Trades. Today is November 4th. Happy Monday. So I told the members that today would be an attentive day, right? So I ended up taking 2 trades by myself in the AM. Told the members, let's hop on for PM, and we caught a nice win. So me personally, 3 for 3 in total, just 1 for 1 on live today, right? I expected market to be choppy, bad action, but we ended up seeing beautiful price action. If we see beautiful price action, we're going to execute, right? Regardless of elections, regardless of the FOMC, if we see our setup, we'll execute. And we went 3 for 3 today. What you guys will notice is it's the same trade every time, the same exact model. Right, coming into the session, we had a very aggressive sell-off, and we saw a sweep of Friday's low. I was looking for that to be low of day and manipulation to run back higher to the opening highs. Right, so as you see off the open, you could have caught an inverse short here, sold off aggressively, swept out Friday's low, and we see a very aggressive reversal. Right, and what am I looking for? I'm looking for a play point, somewhere to play off of. And that came with this huge imbalance, this 5-minute fair value up here. Retrace and respect. All right, we got that retracement. Looked for a point of entry as I found it on this inverse. I got long on the inverse and just targeted the opening high for a nice scalp. 17-point trade. Very nice trade and a tight stop at 9 points. About a 2-1. So that was my first scalp trade. Left a runner, but it got out break even here. Right? Why did I leave a runner? Because my main point of interest was to see these equal highs here at the 79 point. My main target was the equal highs. But because I don't know the market much, because it was a bit of a, early trade, right? I don't know if it's going to deliver. So I played it tight. I scaled some out the opening high because I know that is low-hanging fruit. It'll likely get hit. Put stops to break even, rest stop break even. And then we saw market kind of teeter a little bit. But once I saw us respect the inverse and buy up, I got my re-entry point at this fair value gap with a stop at the lows. And my target, scale out the internal high, rest out at that 79 point in those equal highs here. That trade was about a 40-point trade, 18-point risk, 42 points. So that was what I did for the AM, and I hopped off. Again, these trades were not traded live. I just traded them by myself because I told the members, right, it'll be an intent of day. I expected market to suck. Somehow it didn't, and we executed beautifully. And then we came on to PM and took the exact same trade, right? With a little added confluence here, guys. Number one, we have the SMT. We will see NQ fail to deliver to low of day. If we go to ES, we see ES on the sell-off ended up sweeping low of day very aggressively, and we see a lower low for ES. And on NQ, we do not sweep the low of day, and we make a higher low here. Oops, my fault. Wrong chart. Make a higher low here. So coming in, I'm looking for my model. Right? Unfortunately, I wanted the inverse long here, but we just moonshot it. Right? Why did I like that long so much? Because we can go into the 5-minute and we see what? Swing high to swing low of the buy range. We see a respect of discount here. And we see a respect of a 5-minute bullish fair value gap. Off that, we inversed a 5-minute bearish, and we formed a 5-minute bullish. That is my play point. What are we looking for again, guys? Retrace and respect. Coming in, swept into the 5-minute, point of entry, inversed, stacked on this bullish. We got long, put our stop below the fair value gap, and our target was simple, just the internal high. I left one runner that I put my stop loss at break even below these candle wick lows, and it just got stopped out in profit. But this was a quick trade, 20 points, and that's pretty much it. Very, very simple stuff. Again, retrace and respect. Retrace to the 5-minute, inverse long, re-entry off the respect, long. What is it again? Retrace to the 5-minute, inverse long. Understand this model, understand narrative, and you will be profitable. But that is a 3 for 3 day to start off the week. Very strong. We come into elections composed. We'll trade small size. We probably won't even trade tomorrow. But thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe. And if you want to join the Discord, we'd love to have you. The link is in the bio. Until next time, guys. Peace out.